I've had a couple of comments with regard to how did I build the rocket stove. I have explained what I've done, but what I'm going to do now is actually show you each of the blocks that I've cut so you can see how it goes together. So this is the base of blocks. I've used 6 blocks, swapping them alternately on each row so as to make them more stable. If you want the rocket stove to be higher, add more, or lower, take a couple away. Now what I'll do is show you each block, how they've been cut to how they work. Right, so this is the first block. Now it looks pretty much as it should be, but what I've done is I've cut 2 holes in the sides, as you can see here. Now this one sits at the back, line it up nicely. Just makes it more stable when it's like that. And this is the next one. Now as you can see, this one I've cut the backs out. So there you have it. And that's lined up, so the idea is you put your sticks in the front and the flames will then start to come up this way. Now the next level, we'll show you how they go. So this is the next block, and as you can see, we've cut out all the way through. There you go, hello. And we put that on the back over the 2 holes that we cut in the side of the back brick. And the next one is an exact same copy. You got the 2 holes all the way through, up on top, and that's your rocket stove. Some people have got plates off of an old cooker. I've got a couple of bits of rebar, cut down the size. They'll sit there. As you can see, it blacks the old bottom of the pot, but hey ho, if you've got an old one, and that's how it goes. And there it is with the pot on top. I'll put a little clip up next showing you it working. I won't show you the whole video because that was on my wife's channel anyway, and a lot of people have already seen it. Thanks for watching. Here's the clip.